Chilly weather, altered sleep patterns, and festive foods over the holiday season can affect our immune systems and increase stress. Chief Medical Officer of Retail Health at CVS Health, Dr. David Fairchild, joins us with some tips to stay healthy during the holiday season. Doctor, thank you so much for joining us today. We really appreciate your time. Holiday travel is upon us, so what key pre-trip advice do you have to keep our travel safe and worry-free?
So we have to remember that nobody really anticipates getting sick on the holidays, right? So, but that does happen. We all know that. So thinking ahead is important. One thing people can do is have their prescription medications ready. If you need refills, get them done before you leave so you've got enough medicines to cover you. The other is, for those that want to, can get vaccines. Flu vaccines are available. The COVID vaccines are available. I got both of mine a couple of weeks ago. That's a great way to help prevent getting those common infections. The other thing I do is I bring along a travel kit with over-the-counter medications in case somebody in my group gets sick with a fever or has diarrhea. Having medicines ready is very helpful. And then lastly, as a primary care doctor, I know that many people have complicated medical issues, so if you're one of those people, check in with your doctor beforehand to make sure you can travel safely is a great way to make sure you've got a good holiday.
Okay, so, like you're saying, the reality is people can and do get sick over the holidays. So if that happens, where should we start when looking for local healthcare resources in a strange city, maybe at odd hours?
Right. Well, and that's the other truism, isn't it true, that we never get sick when it's convenient. MinuteClinic, so the clinics that are inside some CVS locations, are open 7 days a week. And they're open in the evenings, and they're open Saturdays and Sundays. We also have virtual visits, so if there's not a MinuteClinic that's convenient for you, you can go online and get access 24/7 to a provider that can help take care of whatever the issues are. We can give treatment for flu and COVID if that comes up. So whatever is happening, the MinuteClinic nurse practitioners or physician associates are available to help keep people healthy and enjoying their vacation.
Yeah, I've actually used the MinuteClinic before. It's very, very effective. They treated me very well. Thank you very much. Okay, so doctor, how can we prioritize our emotional and mental well-being during the holiday season?
Well, that's a great point, David. It's easy to forget how stressful the holidays can be. And one of the things is prioritizing self-care, trying to anticipate what you need to stay grounded and to stay healthy. I mentioned it's important to get exercise and to eat well, eating a balanced diet. Everybody wants to have apple pie and ice cream, but having fruits and vegetables is important. Getting some exercise and movement during the day can be really helpful. It's a great way to reduce stress. A lot of people feel lonely during the holidays, and my wife and I, for example, we're a blended family. Our kids are often away during Thanksgiving. We've taken to volunteering on Thanksgiving Day, and it's a great way to feel connected to other people and have community on a day when we otherwise might be feeling a little bit alone. So if people can plan to join a church group or a community group or volunteer as a way to stay connected when they might otherwise be alone. And if somebody really does feel alone, MinuteClinic also has mental health services and mental health counselors that are available 24/7 in 49 states virtually to help people through the difficult times.
I like that idea of volunteering. That's a great idea. All right, doctor, before I let you go, where can we go to learn some more information?
Yeah, people can go to MinuteClinic.com on the web or download the CVS Health app, and they'll get all the information and how to schedule an appointment right there.
Fantastic. Doctor, thank you once again for your time this morning. We really appreciate it. And folks at home, if you want to catch this segment again or others like it, just head over to First Coast News Plus.